Right, so I'm actually in the process of I'm about to put the rice in, but I have to make sure that, you see, this is the crucial part. I can't actually put the rice in yet, because if you notice, I need it to be, the peas is cooked, the scallion and everything is in it. The scallion, the mixed herbs, the thyme, garlic, ginger, all that is in it. But even though it's like that and the peas is cooked, I need it to be rich. You know, all that you can see is the pimento, the pimento seeds, and the garlic, you know. But I want it to really have a rich, thick texture before I put the rice in. So rice and peas is not a very easy thing to cook. You have to make sure that it's done properly. It's not a matter of just boiling the peas and dashing the rice. You know, this part is the crucial bit. The crucial bit is here. This is where the taste come in. You know, when my mother used to cook rice and peas, you could actually eat the rice and peas without any form of meat. You understand? So make sure when you're cooking your rice and peas, you keep an eye on this bit, on this part, because this is the crucial part. All right? Yes. And I'll leave it for another, say, half an hour or so, and then I'll put the rice in. So just a note of caution, really. All right? Thanks.